Davis kicks it. Now Pringle! Oh, what a goal! What a goal from Ben Pringle! You don't stop those. Just inside the penalty area, half volley. He has thundered that one in. What a start from the Millers! What a strike! Rotherham United 1, Sheffield Wednesday 0. Hurlers through again. Yeah, they're just all over the place. Rotherham are just getting balls in there. When the ball's dropping in the box, it's Rotherham that's getting there first. They're knocking it out. It's getting shots in. Then Wednesday are blocking. They're under a lot of real pressure here. Arneson with the throw, and it goes towards Morgan. Didn't get there. McCabe looking to control it. Cleared out as far as O'Connor. Now Frecklington 25 yards out. Tries for goal! Oh, it's another belter! Lee Frecklington has rifled the ball in. One to Max Pringles. Just outside the D, right foot. Hero of the hour on Saturday. And he's turned the game on his head tonight again. Rotherham United 2, Sheffield Wednesday 1. Another terrific goal. What a fantastic goal. Again, the ball's gone in. Again. Great strike. Oh, brilliant.
Tavernier has his second. Rotherham only held for 12 minutes, and designs on the top two can really continue for Steve Evans' side.